Hello everyone, this is Joan from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a DeLonghi Specialista with us in the shop. And it came in for a few issues. One of the issues being a leak in the machine. Also, the machine would not want you to do pretty much anything when it comes to this side of the machine, which is the espresso, Americano, coffee, hitting the OK button, hot water. None of it would actually operate at all, and every time you clicked the button, it didn't do anything. So went in there and did quite a lot of testing. Mainly, we found that both of the fuses on your heating or on your thermal block, which I have both of the old ones here, they both went bad. After replacing both of them, I replaced one and tried it, and it did not work. After replacing both of them, the machine finally booted up, finally warmed up so that you can make a coffee. Also, while we're in there, we found a leak, which was this elbow shape. As you can see, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to see, but that little blacked out right here, that's actually a hole straight through the elbow. And so every time you brewed, steamed, hot water will go in, and it's really bad. Although they do have good covering, all your electronics are here, your motherboard, and some other ones too. So water spilled out, probably tripped your GFCI if I were to guess. But yeah, and so now we're gonna test the machine. We're just gonna brew a shot, test all the water functions when it comes to like steaming, hot water, make sure everything's still working properly. We're using a grinder, kind of got a somewhat fine grind. Don't worry if it's too fast or too slow, I didn't calibrate any of it. There you go. That looks like a good bit of coffee. We're gonna put this in. Dip the hot water spout, but that's okay. Clean that up.
I guess to get fully.
And so put this on there. And we're gonna brew a double. This is pre-infusion. Now it's gonna go into actually brewing. Again, don't worry about, I got old coffee, plus I didn't put enough coffee in the portafilter. Don't worry about the actual recipe. We're just worrying about if water's coming out. That's a half all right shot. It just stopped there. In case you wanted hot water, you put this under here, hit the hot water button. As you can see, that's working fine. And now we're gonna test the steaming function. We're gonna put a pitcher in and turn it on while we take this out. And now it's going to start steaming. And yeah, all that leaking from the machine is all caused by this little guy. And so to get here, it's kind of annoying. You do have to take off the back and the lid to replace this. For replacing the fuses, you had to take off the whole back cover and access the thermal block. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.